So as a baby boomer American, when I think about the work that I'm doing now to create crew consciousness, crew thinking, and crew actions, two things that come to mind that have happened in my lifetime in the United States. When I was a young man, close to 80% of the adult population smoked cigarettes. Even though we started to know that it was unhealthy for us, we still smoked cigarettes. When I was a young man, a pack of cigarettes was 25 cents. Now it's 40 times that. And most of that price increase is due to taxes. And guess what? Only 20% of adults in the United States smoke. So the taxation of an unhealthy product changed behavior. The other way behavior gets changed is laws. When I was a kid, there was no seatbelt law. The deaths and injuries on the highways of the United States was much higher than it is now, proportionate to the number of cars. Then we put in the seatbelt. It's the law. And people now automatically put on their seatbelts. So we have to think about taxing carbon. We have to think about implementing laws that will cut down on behavior that is contrary to the health of spaceship Earth. So think of cigarettes, taxation. Think of seatbelts as laws that have changed behavior for the betterment of everyone, at least in the United States. That's what we need to do with climate change.